Right, so we're back on the tarmac job on the driveway in Cardiff. So happy that this is going in now for these clients today. So let me show you this, where we are so far. So we've had the 200mm, if you dig it all out, we've had the 200mm sub base in, MOT type 1. Then we've had the path edgings going. They've all been set in concrete all the way around there, look. And then we got, so that goes all the way around to there. And then you've got, so they've all been set in concrete, as I said. And then you've got the Alvin lays, which they've taped, the boys have taped up so they don't damage them and get tarmac on them. They're the edging going right the way around. And then we had a base coat of tarmac in. I think the boys are telling me that was about 2 inches. And then you've got a 3-inch coat of this top base going on, which are doing a really good job. So really pleased. Looking really good. So there we are. He's on his little thing up there, look. On his little roller. If he rolled over Brad's head with that, he'd probably end up about, he could probably go to Land's End to John O'Groats, wouldn't he, Brad? That's how long he'd be. Show you what it's like now. Got a big crew here today. I'll show you what it's like now when it's finished. But it's looking good. I'm impressed. We've got a good crew. I'm happy. So everyone's smiling. So we're back down the landscaping job in Cardiff. So the boys have finished the drive now. So this is the porcelain. Client's been busy buying plants. So she's got those plants in there. So they're going to look really, really nice. Nothing's finished yet, so we're still getting there. But I just wanted to show you the tarmac, because the lads who've done the tarmac have done a fantastic job. Excuse the hose pipe. So they've put these lights in, and they go around periodically all the way around the drive. So there's another one over here, and they go round the steps. So this is where we are with it. So let me just go a little bit further back to give you the full picture of it, if I don't trip over. So that's it. So that's the full driveway, and that goes around here to the steps. We managed to get the drive equal to the same risers that we've put on the steps. So that's the steps we did. And then if we just come around here and then we turn things around, we can show you the full length of it then. So there's the drive going down there out to the van. Turning circle, curve. Now we got the same curve as the Alvin lay pavers. So if you have a look at this, we got the same kind of arc going around, the same measurement meticulously put in as that. So this blank area now you can see in the middle where the electric cable is, where the concrete is, we are going to be putting topsoil in there with a weed membrane and a decorative bark in there, so she can, well, Andy and the other clients here, they can put some nice plants in there. So they've already bought, so they're waiting to get them in. So we got to get down here now in the week and get those in. So there's more lights in there to go in. There's more lights this other side to go in at the side of the hedge. But what we did as well is we put these Alvin lays, these Marshall's Alvin lay paving in on the side of the drive and flow pointed them, because that matches the herringbone on the path that goes down and around there. So we just thought that was a nice touch to put those on the corner of the driveway. And here's all the brickwork that we did quite a while ago now. And we, just so everybody knows, we had a contractor to do this drive months ago, and he let us down because it wasn't his fault. You could understand it. The contractor let us down because he had a utilities contract coming up, and he was either let the small guy down, which is me, you know, the small business down, or let the big guys down, such as like Welsh Water and then the other utilities, and lose his, his contract and lay his boys off and lose his wagons and stuff. So they kind of blackmailed him into doing it and had to do it. So we found another guy, Jordan Surfacing, and Dave is the chap who owns it. Brilliant set of lads, really good to work with, really professional. I set out the guidelines for what we wanted, and they did it, and they come in and they did it, and they did it to a real professional standard, and it's really good to see and really good to work with. Clients really happy with it. I'm really happy with it as well. It's starting to look good. So there we are. I just thought I'd show you. So there's going to be more plants. I mean, those steps we did up there, I'm really pleased with them. Let's get in closer. So there's the steps there that we did on the entrance to the property. Look, they really come to life now with the tarmac up against them. Looks nice in the night as well. So I'm happy. You can hear it in my voice. I'm happy. I'm chuffed to bits that the client's happy. So there we are. Leave your comments below. Hopefully they'll be nice comments, because we put a lot of effort into this. And then it's not finished yet, but we'll show you some more now through the course of the week when it gets done. We've got a post box going in here, a really posh post box going in here, which we've got to cut out and make some more adjustments to that. But we got lights there, brick lights in there. He's got PIR system going in, which is in that corner over there. And then we got some gates there. The gates have been built in. You've seen on previous videos, all the gates are built into there, and they'll fit on the motors, which are down there. And then that there, that is the eco drains that connects to the soakaway, the 4-crate soakaway system that is under the ground. And there's the top of it there for him to clean his silt trap out, the manhole cover there, look, in the centre of the screen. And that soakaway is underneath there. So it's looking good. I'm pleased. So see you soon. See you on the next one. Stay safe. Be good. Enjoy the weekend. Enjoy the football. And please like and subscribe. See you soon. Cheers. Thanks. Ta-da.